Good day, children. Coming back to the topic advertisement already, which I have started. That is the continuation of that advertisement. Rest of the examples we'll be seeing in the next slide. Let's start with the advertisement for sale and the purchases. Sale means to sell something. If I want to sell, or suppose anybody else is going to sell something, and then purchase, I can purchase and somebody else can purchase from me. So few examples, let's see. Here these three are the paper cuttings in renowned newspapers. You can see three different ways of writing. The middle one, we have learnt that the advertisement is for sale, and we can see it's a selling of flat 2 BHK, then 1183 square feet. It's on 7th floor and car parking is there facing towards east. Kendra Vihar. All address is given, phone number and email is given. Other two example you see, for sale it is written, and whatever is required, that one is highlighted more. That means a person whoever is selling the property, he or she feels that which one has to be highlighted. Accordingly, these people are doing the advertisement. Understood, children? So here the last one you see, exclusive fully furnished guest houses. Guest houses is more the it is made more bold, font size little different. The first one you can see the apartment where it is, maybe that apartment the area is more important, that's why it is written like that. So these three are the paper cuttings. Okay, now let's see other examples. Question you see, you wish to shift to a new residence at Mohali. You are now wanting to sell your MIG flat. Advertise in the classified column for sale. See, as I have told you, children, that in the question paper you will get that heading. So here it is given for sale. Okay, in not more than 50 words about its sale. Now property for sale. Available MIG flat in Rajendra Nagar, main supermart, Delhi 3, Delhi, 3 bedrooms, then attached bathrooms, east park facing with ample parking space, adequately furnished, 24 hours power and water supply, 4 years old, construction by RK Builders, property rate is 89 lakh. Contact, the number is given, email is also given. So a person who want to sell, that person's each and the person given each and every point for selling the, means about the house, about the flat which he want to sell. Now it's your wish. Like that same to the next person, Kartar Singh wanted to buy a plot. Now you see, for purchase is given. First one is for sale, second one is for purchasing of the land. Required a plot, that means this person what type of plot he wants, in that way he has given the advertisement. A plot on GT Road, Jalandhar Phagwara or Jalandhar Amritsar, with minimum 75 feet frontage with a total area of so and so, built up area, open area, send detail with total area, location of land, ownership status, this all have been given. Okay children, so I hope if you will go through this example, at least you will be able to form your own advertisement, that the way what all things has must be given for selling or purchasing, that will be understood easily by seeing this particular examples. Let's go for the next. Here again, flat for selling purpose. You want to sell your newly built flat. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the classified columns of Hindustan Times. giving all necessary details. You are Nimesh, you are Nimisha of 228 Golf Course, Jodhpur. See, address is given and the name is also given, children. So it's very easy that you will become either Nimisha or Nimesh, and address already given that you will mention. Only contact number you have to make from your side. And the information regarding the flat: built HIG flat in Defence Colony, Jaipur, ground floor, small compound, running water, electricity connection, garage for car, located near market, clear title, no encumbrance, rate negotiable according to market. So these all are the things which you have to give. I hope you have understood, children. It's not so much what all things very important. The locality is given, the environment is given, all the facilities that the particular flat is having. The rate is also negotiable, each and everything according to the market, and then the owner's name. So I hope you have understood, children. Then again you see the selling of the vehicle. About that day we already have discussed about the car and about the scooty. See, model number is given, how much it has run, then tires, about the tires, then average about the gadi, and all each and everything is given. Accessories, what all accessories are given, you have to keep the contact address and the phone number. So easy. Next one comes the missing one. See, the photo of a girl is given and all the general information regarding that girl is given. Name, father's name, house number, then the address, description of the girl, height, age, color of face, whatever she is wearing, at the time she got from the day is missing, the dress which she is wearing, and regarding where she has gone, everything has been given. So where he will contact and how he will contact, it is given. So I hope this one also by 2-3 times if you read, you will get understood. Okay. Next example, let's see. This one, for missing person, what all things we require. You have to start like missing, any identify mark, reward if you want to give, date and place of missing, contact number. If it is any pet, then name, breed, color of the skin. Okay, children. For person, name, age, complexion, height, build. That means all the features of that person, who, person or pet, whatever has gone missing, you have to give. Next comes lost and found, which comes means frequently it is to come, lost and found. You have lost your mobile handset in Delhi Metro. Now you have to give advertise. I, comma, Ranbir Mahajan, comma, have lost my mobile in the metro, comma, yellow line near Rajiv Chowk. The phone is golden in color, model number iPhone C6 with a golden cover. If anyone finds it, please return so and so. And the phone number is given. I got the purse. I, Sharmila Gupta, have lost my red colored ladies bag in Sarojini Nagar market yesterday. The bag carried my identity card, credit card, my mobile phone along with so and so cash. Please return if found. The finder will get a reward. The phone number. So children, here we also see how beautifully one advertisement has been given about the mobile phone also and about the ladies purse also. It's not much difficult. I hope children easily will be able to write. Next comes travel and tour. Here also attractive package you have to give. Available like Mauritius 3 nights 4 days. Children, this one very nice. If you read the newspaper, in newspaper you will get all the informations how nicely they used to put the advertisement, so that we get attracted immediately and we will think about it, isn't it? So discount should be given, and then numbers 1 2 3 first comes first discount, like that. Then wherever you are going, the rate per person, how many days you are going to stay, what all things you are going to give, that should be there. Attractive things should be there, that you will be attracted towards that particular tour. Okay. So children, I hope you have got these examples, and I hope these few examples will help you how to form your own. If anything comes in the question paper, you will be able to write. Okay, good day children. Next class I will be dealing with the next skills.